Hello and welcome to another lesson from Expert Concrete Training. Today I want to talk about a gloss meter and its effects on projects and carrying through from construction through to maintenance. So this is a gloss meter. This is one that I use regularly. It's called a Hariba IG320, and what this does is it measures how reflective the surface is. So this is a device that we use to measure gloss for quality control through construction. So on the back side, you see this little portal here. So what happens is this machine shoots out a laser out of one side, bounces off the floor, it catches it on the other side, and measures the gloss. So a typical high gloss polished concrete floor is 55 or better average gloss. Something like your phone is typically about 120 average gloss. So at a 55 average gloss, a floor, you'll be able to see a clear reflection of the ceiling above you within 2 or 3 feet of your feet. That's a good high gloss floor.